Introducing the SPYV025 OMG Long Distance Car Voice Recorder Video Tutorial. To turn on or off the device, press the power button for 2 seconds. There is a light indicator that indicates the state of the device. When the light indicator turns red, the device is turned on. To reset the device, press the power button for 15 seconds. To switch modes, press the button M before switching to avoid corruption. To start recording, ensure the device is turned off. Switch to mode 1, then turn on. The device will flash the blue indicator light for 5 seconds. The recorder will automatically save the file after 2 hours and start a new recording. Press the power button once till the blue indicator light is flashing. Press once again to stop recording and save the recording. To listen to recordings, switch to mode 2 and insert an earphone. You can also view the recording by plugging in your personal computer. Insert the earphones first, then turn on the device. The earphones act as an antenna. Switch to mode 3 for FM radio. Press and hold the plus sign or the minus sign button on the wire earphone to scan for radio channels. It will automatically save the channels. To change the radio channel, press the plus and minus button. Press M to delete the current radio channel. Press the plus and minus button to increase or decrease the volume. Charge the device when the red indicator light is blinking. Connect a USB cable to charge the device. The indicator light will go off once it is fully charged. You can charge and record at the same time. Plug in the USB cable of your personal computer and press the button M. Now, press the power button to start recording. Create a TXT file in the folder name Record. Type in the text with reference to the date and time. Make sure save before closing the TXT file.